Hey Littlesilver family, how are you all doing? Thank you so much for being here. For my subscribers, always appreciated. And for the new viewers, thank you for passing by, and I hope you do subscribe, comment, and interact with all the content that we're sharing here. We share videos based on risks in between life, lifestyle, and adventures. And welcome to this video. And in this video, it's my ultimatum video. I think 7 months ago now, from July last year, I decided to rest. Like, my work agreement ended because of an amicable terms, and I decided, okay, maybe it's a sign that I just need to slow down, relax, do some self-finding, because I felt physically, emotionally, and mentally tired. Having gone to the UAE, all I wanted was to find myself. And into the journey, I realized it's longer than you think. Healing process is sophisticated, it's long, and there's so many things connected. Because you find stuff that you want to make peace with in all directions. Like when you check at your physical growth, there are things that you want to make peace with. Emotional growth, there are things as well you want to make peace with, or let go, or just and mental thing, it's the ultimate. It's the ultimate because it interconnects every single thing. Like everything else is linked to your mental health. Since I prioritized my mental health, I have felt much happiness, much peace, and a lot. Today is my ultimatum day because it's so hard trying to explain to your African mom why you need to know stuff or why you want closure. I have had so many conversations in my head when I'm sleeping at night, because I was as well not thinking I would maybe convey the right or the correct message in my language, because I have to make it simple, understandable, and clear. But most of the things I want to speak there, in English, I cannot speak to my mom in English because she'll not comprehend everything. But I decided, okay, it's time, it's now or not. I have to face it. I have to let her know that there are things I want to ask her about. And it's a real struggle as well, because as much as I want to find out stuff, I didn't want it to come from a point of maybe blame. That's not my intention. And I didn't want her to feel like it's like I'm trying to blame her. And for that reason, that's why I decided this time is the best, because I have waited for 15 years, I guess. Because the things that I have wanted to know, I knew, I got clues from when I was in primary school. And I did not ask her because maybe I didn't feel ready, maybe I was afraid. And because also I didn't want her to question our parenthood. I didn't want her to feel like she's not giving everything that I needed. With all due respect and happiness, she has tried her best to give me the best she could give. And right now I felt it's okay, because like I'm not so dependent on her, and we can have like adult conversation, which is merely given by our African parents. So this is just like a dare. It has been quite a journey. I came home, I let her know that I just came purposely to find out stuff, and she was shocked because, well, they are not used to that. They are not used to like children questioning stuff and things. I've been different since my upbringing, because there are things I could not agree with, and I'll just plainly say I don't agree with, but I'll not carry on the conversation because I don't want it to spark more fire. So I came in December at home. My sole purpose was mostly to spend time with my family, at least I think bond, because when we go to the city we tend to break. Like, it's like we disappear and we don't bond with our family as much or anymore. It's never the same on phone. It's never the same as on video call. So I decided, okay, let me just come spend some time with them. But then I had the intention of letting her know, okay, there are things I want to ask, and it's from just a point of love and point of just wanting happiness for myself. So at that time, of course, it caught her off guard, and she was like, I need to finish some stuff because there were things going on in the farm, and she said, okay, I need to finish. So I stayed for a while, waited. At some point I became emotionally overwhelmed because I started like connecting with stuff, because there were other stuff I was doing as well. Sorting my stuff which was at home, burning there, like, you know, the strength of fire. And it seemed a long wait. So I decided to take a break and go to the city first. So I went to the city, stayed for 2 weeks, and came back. When I came back, she was just waiting, like she's not giving me any particular time to go, like to create time to talk. And I realized, okay, then I have to ask, because I thought maybe asking her would feel like pressure, but I was like, you know what, you go for what you want. I know she's not at that point in life to understand what I'm going through or how this can help me. It's only me who knows it. And I was like, when is the day that you're free, like completely free, no interference, you don't have anywhere planned to go? And it was today. Yesterday night, actually, I don't know, for some reason I started feeling this overwhelm again, like, because you have conversations, real conversations on what you want to say. But yeah, I listened to some meditation to just calm me down. This is what I always do. And I slept. So it's this morning that we are going to go for a little hike, and we'll just spend some time there. It's just somewhere up in the rocks. Spend some time there. Then I'll have a ask on anything I've ever wanted to ask. So the only encouragement I would tell anyone who wants to achieve healing is take the courage. Sometimes the time may not feel right. Even at some point I felt like just like leaving it and telling, okay, I don't need to talk, and just leave and go to the city. But it's for me, it's for my sanity, it's for my everything. Like, I feel it's like a catapult that is going to pull me to so many opportunities and so many things after I seek clarity. So take the courage, find the best time possible, in the best environment, and do it. Not all the people can understand her healing or therapy journey. It's only yourself, and it doesn't have to make sense to them. As long as it makes sense to you, that's enough. It takes bravery as well. Be brave. And I know there are people as well who might not have like their close people, like they don't have their parents, their dad or their mom. It's okay also not to find all the solutions, but if you can and you want, it's okay also. Don't feel left out because you don't have anyone you can ask. Everybody else's journey is different, and there are different ways of healing, and this is my journey, and I hope it encourages someone, because this is something that it's not normalized in the African homes, and kids are just seen as just people who don't, I wouldn't say don't matter, but like don't matter to know everything. There are so many secrets in the family, but because growing up you see everything. Like kids are so sensitive, so you see them and you start to question, and the more you question, the more you develop the curiosity of wanting to know, but no one will ever tell you. So you end up just not getting the right answers and from your implications. And instead of learning from what you are told, for example, you are told something and you want to learn and grow from that. So for example, there's a family secret and you are told as a kid, this is how it went. Like I would say transparency, because you're not told, you don't know how to act as well in real life when the same situation faces you as an adult. So adulting is complex, and families are full of shit as well. And you also don't have to know everything, which you families, yeah, you don't have also to know everything, but whatever you think can make your life okay, you can just go ahead and just ask anyone relevant. Also choose the people to ask about stuff in your journey, because it can evoke more like problems in the family. So it's sophisticated. It's very sophisticated. I don't know how to explain it. I'm not a therapist. All the views and suggestions given in this video are solely my own interpretation and understanding, and can never be used at any point in time in replacement of an advice from a qualified doctor, therapist, or anyone else. So I hope to see you in the next video. I hope it goes well, and I'm super excited, and I can't wait to be transparent to my family. Anyone with kids, be transparent to them from young age. Anything you say as a joke, they'll take it like it will be stored in their subconscious mind, and they'll question at some point in time. And I was just asking myself, why did I actually not get the courage to do this like long time? But it's also never too late, so it's okay. It's fine. So thank you so much for watching this part 1 of my therapy journey, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and I hope you like, comment, and learn from these videos, as well as grow during my growth, and let's share experiences, happy experiences in future. So bye.